so good at tracking this, but you don't track the jeepney ride, the merienda lang on Grab, the milk tea, the Shopee Budol.
And this is the spreadsheet of good intentions that you never actually fill out. But the real problem in the Philippines isn't just this. It's all the spending that has no receipt at all.
Household fund for the week. But then it becomes pambili ng kartolina, pangload ni kuya, bayad sa Grab, ambag sa office.
Let's face it, so tracking expenses, especially if you're living in the Philippines, especially there's no receipts, can be a bit difficult, no? So it requires a lot of patience, a lot of time to to write down and monitor our day-to-day expenses, no? So and that is the reason why I created Resibo Ko, no? Resibo Ko was designed specifically for the cultural aspect of the Philippines, no? So many times naman if we nag-commute tayo sa Pilipinas, sumakay tayo ng jeepney, sumakay tayo ng tricycle, or ng pedicab, wala namang mga resibo yan. Or pag bumili ka sa sari-sari store, wala namang silang resibo, no? So, and hindi naman ganun kadali rin to write things down, no? So, in my case, that's one of the challenges I have is nakakalimutan ko, no? So, I forget to write things down and hindi na natin na monitor where our daily budget or daily expenses go, no? So precisely because of that, I created this application called Resibo Ko, specifically for the Filipino professionals, business owners, freelancers, um, na that they can actually, or students, no, they can actually monitor their day-to-day expenses easily, no, using AI. So how does it work, no? So ito yung web page niya. So master your gastos one snap at a time, yun ang concept niya. So hindi mo na kailangan isulat ang mga gastos mo per day, no? So in essence, naka-capture niya yung mga yan, food and drinks, grocery natin, transportation, utilities, entertainment, health, travel, lahat lahat. So, ang ginawa ko sa kanya is you can just use your phone's camera of your phone, and then yung camera ng phone nyo, i-check na niya yung resibo, and it will automatically get all the data and then log it themselves, no? So there are a couple of ways. So pwede yung camera mo, you can use your voice, so you can talk to the application, or you can upload the receipt, so kung gusto mo rin gawin ganun, or you can actually just manually type the receipt. So I catered it to our culture kasi nga meron tayong gastusin that classifies compared to the other mga ganitong expense trackers na more or less US based or Western based yung kanilang ano. So sa atin kasi nilagyan ko na siya ng concept na yung daily necessities natin, plus yung mga savings and binabayad natin, plus yung family or support system. So yun yung pangatlong nilagay ko na hindi kasama ng usually ng iba, no? So nalagay nila others lang. So like for example, baon, tulong sa bahay, contribution sa household, etc. etc. So at least nilagay ko rin siya doon so you can also monitor how much you're actually giving or spending towards that, no? So ang kagandahan lang sa application na to, it's easy to use, no? So it's a very simple interface. So I'll demonstrate to you how it looks like. So in a bit, but ang highlight nito is the tinatawag ko si Piso o so si AI buddy mo. So siya yung financial analyst mo. So ang ginagawa niya kasi it will uh, go through all the expenses that you've done during the day, during the week, during the month, during the quarter, and it will give you ano yung mga hidden savings na pwede mong gawin, no? So hindi mo lang siya simpleng tracker, but it actually gives you an advice on, hey, baka pwede ka makapagtipid dito. So yung tinatawag kong tipid opportunities, no? So let's go to the application itself. So it's very easy to log in. So you just sign up. Ginawa ko lang siya one way is you sign up with Google. Why? Because it basically connects to your Google Sheet. So you will be able to create a Google Sheet account. A Google Sheet will transfer all the data there. Kung sakaling kailangan mo ng actual data na papadala mo sa accountant mo or gusto mo review on your own at the end of the month or end of the day or end of the year, whatever, and then the quarter ko na bahala, no? So this is the interface that you would see, no? So you can see very simple na siya. You click on this, it automatically you can actually it would select a file where you can upload. You can actually use the camera, and then you can also use record your voice. So pwede mo dictate mo na lang sa kanya na yan, jeepney ride, 20 pesos today, transportation. So ipa-plug in na niya lahat ng mga values na yan on its own, no? So automatically dated na din siya. So it follows the date of the device that you're using, and then you can save the transaction. So similarly, you can also type it yourself. So kung ikaw na yung bahala kung gusto mong gawin na you just want to manually type. Sometimes I do this. So it's a lot easier. And then I just sync it during the end of the day. No? And then lalabas dito lahat yung mga transactions mo. So it will default on a daily basis. So you would see all your transactions on a day-to-day basis. So the day is November 1, 2025. So makita mo rin din on a weekly yung gastos mo, yung monthly gastos mo, since wala pa, hindi pa nagsisimula yung monthly, yung quarterly na gastos mo, yung yearly. And then you can actually see all your gastos in one view, no? So on a day-to-day basis, nire-record niya. So currently, lagay ko na, since I've been using this for the past 3 weeks, so may 65 transactions now. So another cool thing about this application is really the AI financial assistant. So you can do two things. No, first thing is that you can actually use to find the cash leaks, meaning san ka gumagastos na hindi mo napapansin, yung mga potential saving opportunities mo. Or you can actually talk to the AI. Magkano ba yung nagastos ko for let's say for the month of October? Sabihin natin na October yan. So you can ask the AI saan napunta yung mga gastos mo. So anyways, it's gonna analyze it. But the one of the features that I personally like, yeah, for example, kung ikaw sa bayan, so based on your transaction, you spent a total of 7,700 for the month of October. No? So imagine mo, 7,000 divided by 30, parang magkano yun? So malaking gastos yun on a day-to-day basis. Although may ano naman yan, may reason kung bakit. So this is a cool feature. Another cool feature nga is that you can actually find saan ka pwede magtipid based on your monthly spending habits, no? So the AI will also analyze that. So I let it analyze it first. But yeah, so currently this is available in my website called Recibo .ai for Pinoys. You can actually check it out yourself. So this is just a quick demo. You can go through it yourself. So this is I'm very pretty happy with the application because it's currently being used by some of my friends and they have very good inputs as well. So if you get to use this, please let me know if your feedback. I would really appreciate it. So let's see ano kung ano na siya. So yeah, so gumawa siya ng insights, no? So yun, galing na pagka-track ng expenses mo. So I found over 1,300 potential monthly savings, no? So ito yung top 3 opportunities na pwede mag-save. So yung pangkape, since malakas ako magkape sa labas, yan, pwede na ako gumawa ng home cooked meals kung hindi na kailangan magbili sa labas, no? At yun, bawas-bawasan ng delivery fees, no? So nakita mo makakapagtipid ka rin dyan. So this is something that can probably help you manage your expenses. It's not really a fancy web application or an application that that others would do, but this is just for me one of the easy, less friction way of just monitoring your expenses, getting the habit of seeing where your day-to-day gastos goes, no, and using AI to analyze all of this so that it gives us more or less an idea of where we can save, where we can put our money, or how we can better have a financial journey, especially magto 2026 na, and I'm sure majority of us who wants to have a better 2026. So this can be a very good gift for yourself, no? So an application for yourself, no? So you can gift it to someone, you can tell it to someone, just share it again. So ayun lang, I just want to share this, and I'm very thankful for Google for helping me out, no? Because this is actually one of the products that I worked with Google startup for. Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.